Right? We're gonna play all night. No, I'm kidding. Who drove here tonight by themselves? How fast were you going? 55 was the slowest. One foot on the brake and one on the gas. Hey! Well, there's too much traffic, I can't pass, no. So I tried my best legal move. Big like a white shot, bust my groove. Yeah! Wow, yeah! Write me up for 125. Post my face, wanted dead or alive. Take my license, all that shit. Can't drive, come on! That was the best crowd I've ever heard, ever. Someone signed my name, but number 24, yes. I'm the judge said, boy, just one more. I'm gonna throw your ass in the city joint. You looked me in the eye and said, you get my point. I said, yeah, yeah. Write me up for 125. Post my face, 1 and 10 or alive. Take my license, all that jive. Hey, can't drive, come on. Well, I can't drive 55. Shit, if you're driving 70, you're driving too slow. Well, I can't drive 55. I can't drive 55. Well, I can't drive, come on! To take 2 hours, now it takes all day. It took me 15 hours just to get to Addison.